how to use light to open your spiritual eyes. And if you're having blurry visions also, you can also use this technique to stop having blurry visions. Yes, you can use this technique to stop having blurry visions. I know you have been struggling a lot to open your spiritual eyes. You've watched a lot of prophetic videos. You are always watching prophetic videos. Yesterday you watched prophetic videos. 2 days ago you listened to a prophetic teaching, and still yet you're not really getting the result that you want. I'm going to teach you on how to do these things. That's why if you watch my YouTube videos, you discover that if you are in 2% of the prophetic, if you're always watching my video, you discover that you fly from 2% to 50 to 70% in the prophetic. Before we go into the teaching of today, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And if you've not gotten into my prophetic school and you've not gotten my course, use the link below to join my prophetic school and get my prophetic course. And if you also want a one-on-one section with me, you want a one-on-one section, you want a one-on-one lecture with me, and also book a session using the link below. Now, how do you open your spiritual eyes? Using light. Now, you need to understand that there's a thin line between the realms of the spirit and the physical. The spiritual controls the physical, but the physical gives the spiritual meaning. I know you will not understand what I'm trying to say, so I'll not be able to go deep into this teaching, but I'm going to explain it for you. Now, if God wants to give you an information, God will give you an information based on the level of understanding you have, based on the level of knowledge you have. So in those days, Apostle Prophet John that wrote the book of Revelation, when the vision was coming to him, he actually saw horses, he saw stuff like that, he will see camel. But these days, it will be rare for you to see us in your visions. It will be rare. Even if you see us in your vision, it's a prophetic code. What you will mostly see these times are cars, aeroplanes, because we're in another dispensation. So, and the level of understanding and the level of knowledge you have determines how far and how well you hear the voice of God. So the reason why you're not really going deep into the prophetic, why you're not God is always speaking, God is giving you details, but the level at which you pick the information is depending on the knowledge you have. So I'm going to teach you today on how to open your spiritual eyes using light. This exercise is a very simple exercise that you need to do. Just practice it very well, and you see your spiritual eyes is going to open. And if you're having blurry visions, you close your eyes and everywhere is dark. You are seeing things, but everywhere is dark. Use the same exercise to do same thing, and you discover that your eyes are really opening. Your eyes are opening faster and quicker than you can imagine. You get what I'm trying to say? So what do? The first thing you do is, what I do most times when I was practicing this exercise is, I get a light, a physical light in front of me, but I prefer using a thin small light. I did this thing very well. My mom can testify to this thing. I did this exercise. So in my compound, when I was still living with my mom, the compound is very big. So the gate, at the front of the gate, is a light there. So at midnight, everybody's sleeping. I'll come outside. I'll be looking at the light. The moment I look at the light, I'll close my eyes back and begin to see the light inside. So what I do is, so for those of you that, if you don't really understand, let me explain it very well. You make sure everywhere is dark. Because I love it when everywhere is dark. So when everywhere is dark, you have a light that is actually feeding you, that is giving you those lights. You have small light, a bulb, or don't use white light. It's preferable when you use white light. Let's fluorescent bulb. So you look at it. When you look at it, you look at it for a few minutes, then you close your eyes and begin to see it back, reflecting inside of you. When the light vanishes, you open your eyes back, you look at it again. Once you look at it, you close your eyes and begin to see it. Now, you try to hold that image of light and you begin to transfer the light. Now, what you do next is to begin to see the light moving from your head. So you begin to assume, you begin to feel it, or you assume the light is moving from your head down to your eyes, to your body, every part of your body system, and you begin to feel light vibration inside of you. This is how you open your spiritual eyes. This is one of the ways you can use to open your spiritual eyes. Now, it sounds somehow, but I'm telling you, if you do what I'm asking you to do, you're going to discover that if you're having blurry visions, you stop having blurry visions. If you are not seeing clearly in the realms of the spirit, you've never seen a vision before, because what will make you see into the realms of the spirit is light. You need light to see into the realms of the spirit. So what you need is light. You need light to see into the realms of the spirit. And if you don't have light, you will not be able to see visions clearly. You will not be able to see visions. So this is how you can use light. You can use a physical light to help you get that light that you're looking for. So if you don't want to use a physical light, you can visualize a light. Just remember a time you saw a light. You can visualize. Just remember a time you saw a light, and just imagine it back and begin to see it. Or remember a scene whereby you remember a scene where you went to, and everywhere there was light everywhere, and you just begin to create that scene back in your eyes. Just keep focusing on that thing, and you're going to see that your visions will become more clearer and more clearer. You begin to see clearly. What you use to see into the realms of the spirit is light. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. You need light to see clear visions. You need light to open your spiritual eyes. What you need is light. You get it? So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, the realms of the spirit and the physical realm, what is separating them is just a simple thin line. Just small thing that is separating this. So the physical and the spiritual are connected, but what is separating them is just one small thing. I'll teach it in my next video. I'm going to teach that in my next video. I'm going to show you why. Tell you how, what is the gap. I've said it in some of my videos. If you've been following my teaching, I've said these things in my videos. I've said the gap between your spirit and your soul, the gap between your soul and your body. I've said these things in my teachings. So listen to my previous teachings. You're going to see it there. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel, comment, and share this video. And if you've not gotten my prophetic course, get my prophetic course, join my prophetic school, and get my books. Thank you and God bless you. Your eyes are open.